this video, congratulations! You've successfully landed a job at WasteWorld as a mascot. Now I'm going to walk you through some things to get you started at your new job. Let's get started. If a child or parent asks to take your picture, or asks for directions, then you are required to fulfill their request in a safe and orderly fashion. Make sure not to break character. Please make sure to stay within your assigned area. We actually have more than enough mascots that walk the grounds, so do not worry. Which reminds me, if you see a rabbit character that looks like me but with a reddish color scheme, avoid him. Park staff haven't figured out what to do with him after the incident yet, so please refrain from conversation or physical contact with him. It is still a work in progress. In the event another mascot worker suddenly has a heart attack or any other life-threatening emergency and dies, take the deceased worker to the nearest seating locale. And to not break the magic, stay there until help arrives. Emergency services will appear shortly. Another thing before we end the instructional video. All mascots are to return to their costume stations before 5 p.m. Normally, we'd let the mascots stay out later, but for their safety, we started closing down before dark, as we started to receive reports of rowdy teenagers, people unmasking mascots or doing dumb things on rides, and people not properly leaving their costumes at the park. One time we found a costume hung up with a person still inside it, which was actually one of the reasons why we started closing up so early. This concludes the instructional video. Thank you for flying at WasteWorld Studios. We hope your time here will be a blast for you and the podcast. We wish you some rabbit's luck.